So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what is Threads on Instagram. So Threads was a last standalone messaging app developed by Instagram, and it was designed to facilitate more intimate communication between close friends. An overview of what Threads on Instagram was. Threads was closely integrated with the close friends list on Instagram. Users could easily share photos, videos, and status updated directly with friends they had added to their close friends list. And the status updates. One distinctive feature on Threads was the ability to set a status to let friends know what you're up to. Users could choose from suggested statuses like at home or on the move or create custom statuses to share their activities. And fourth, auto status. Threads featured an auto status option that could automatically update your status based on your location, movement, and other factors. This was an OPT in feature and user had control over when how their status was shared. And Threads featured an auto status option that could automatically update your status based on your location, movement, and other factors. This was a OPT in feature and users had control over when and how their status was shared. And camera centric. The app was designed with a camera first approach, encouraging users to quickly capture and share moments with their selected group of friends. The camera interface was simplified for quicker photo and video sharing. And the privacy controls. Threads allowed users to control who could reach them via direct messages. Conversation with close friends were given priority, and messages from other users were kept in a separate inbox, and updates and changes.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.